Hello and welcome back to the Citizen Lash channel. My name's Caitlin and today I have such exciting news for you. We just launched our very first 2-in-1 lash glue and remover combo for your DIY lash kits. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how I like to use our brand new black lash glue. It has a completely different lash tip and application tip than our original connection adhesive. Okay, so for this lash glue, it's important to only get it on the base because if you get it all the way to the tips, it can, depending on how much experience you have putting the lashes on, it might make it a little bit more challenging. So just on the base of your natural lashes, ideally. Don't worry, if it does get on your skin or on your lash line, it's not harmful. You might just need to wipe it off. So I'm gonna be applying the long length, low density today, and I'm using our variety pack. So by putting the black glue on the base of my natural lashes first, it's going to help the lashes last for as long as possible because I have glue on my natural lashes and I'm also gonna put glue on the base of my fan. So we're doubling up on it, helping the lashes last as long as possible. So for this step, I like to hold my fan in the tip of my tweezer and just paint glue on the inside base of the fan. Let it get tacky for a second. And then I'm gonna start today on the inner corner. And the goal is to place the lashes as close to the waterline as possible without touching. And then I'm just gonna continue doing that all the way across my lash line. With the base of my natural lashes having some glue on it, they connect effortlessly. So this particular technique does help beginners to get as easy of an application process as possible. Just a little fun tip. If you wanted more density, you can stack the lashes by overlapping them. So there you have it, long length, low density. Now that my one lash set is done, you can see how impactful the set is. I like to always finish the set with a sealant. So your sealer is going to lock in the glue so that it's comfortable for you to wear and much less tacky. So let's say you accidentally got a little bit of glue on your bottom layer lashes. You're not gonna have to worry about your top and bottom layer sticking together when you blink. The sealer is gonna take care of that. And it also helps with durability of your lashes, helps them last longer for those who wanna wear the lashes for up to 5 days. And it just feels more comfortable. So in order to use it, I legitimately just dab my sealer onto the bonding point of my lashes. As easy as that.